All right, so in chapter 12, we're talking about conic sections. So basically, it's just like a family of curves that happen when you take cones and like slice them in different ways, right? So like, there's lots on page 228 there, but I've got like the 4 that we're really going to focus on here. So like, if you go straight through, right, you're going to get a circle. If you go kind of at an angle, you're going to get an ellipse, right, or like an oval. If you go at an angle through the bottom, you're going to get a parabola. And then if you go through both of them, you get what's called a hyperbola, which is kind of like 2 parabolas that go like across from each other. So they all have very like similar equations to graph them with too. So we're going to like learn about how to get the equations in the right graphing form, and then we're going to graph all of these. So we're doing a lot of graphing in this chapter. Right? Sounded like it.
At least we know where we're going. Hopefully. Yes. That for you as what?
All right, so in 12.2, we're talking about like the very basic equation of a circle. So it looks like this.
Have we done this before?
I think we did it in geometry.
Oh no. Yes,
Why? Oh no.
I think I had to memorize that for the ACT.
You probably did. Actually, I know you did. I've told you to. Okay, so,
Can I ask a question?
is it relevant to this?
I mean, it's relevant to life.
Okay.
Have any of you guys taken?
H and K are the coordinates of the center of your circle. So it's going to kind of be like an opposite sign, because if you look at this, right, so it's minus H, minus K. So if it's a minus, like your center point's going to be positive. And then R is the length of your radius. So let's say, for example, we have, all right, so let's say we have that equation of a circle. So what would the center point of that circle be? Like on a graph?
9.
No.
Ooh, scary.
No.
-2, -3.
No.
-3, -3.
No. You were closer the first time.
-4, -6. -4, -6. That's what I said.
No, you said negative.
Oh, good.
Right, so it's minus in the formula, but you're just looking for the particular number, so it's positive. So the signs are backwards, kind of. And so what would the length of the radius be?
81.
Where did you get that?
No.
Oh, never mind.
So R squared would be equal to 9 in this case. So that means the radius would be 3.
I did the other way.
Yep. So that means we could draw a circle.
Hold on a second.
Okay.
Do we need graph paper in the coming days?
You're going to need it for this chapter. I have some up here in this bin if you need some.
I have a bunch of it too.
I need one of those things that you take down and like draw this thing. You know what I'm talking about?
Compass?
Yeah, one of the, there's another thing where like usually it has like
It's easier.
slots where you just.
Yeah, I know. I had one.
The compass.
No, but it's like a... I know what you're talking about.
That is a compass, isn't it?
It's just a different type of compass.
Oh.
But yeah. All right, but let's graph the circle. Okay.
Hold on.
So we said the center was.
Hold on. I'm sorry. I'm serious. Okay. So H and K, you switch the signs.
Yes.
So if it were positive 2 and a positive 3, you'd flip it and major and negative.
Yes.
Okay. So. Okay. Sorry.
Okay.
I was asking a genuine question.
True.
That applies to me.
I've recorded the rest of it. Yeah, all right, so again, I went from my center point, I went up 3, right 3, down 3, left 3, and then drew a circle. So that's going to give you your radius of 3.
Hold on, Sam. Is
that all we do?
Mm-hmm. That's it.
you go.
That's it for like this, like. That's pretty simple.
It is.
Oh, mine's not gonna make a circle.
We're actually not even graphing the circles in today's homework. We're going to graph them tomorrow. But.
Yikes. Not good at all.
All right, so your homework is page 230. You're going to do number 1 and 13.